messing up her replicates or whatever. Yeah! Hey! Hey, yo! Hey, yo! No, don't do it again. Don't do it again. Yes, yes. Do it again.
I think that's it.
Daddy, the devil right here says do it, and the other angel girl says no.
Come here. Come here, doggy.
Do it again. Yeah, Daddy. See if she can knock into me.
Okay, ready?
Knock into me.
Here she goes.
Hey! What's up? Do it. That's it. Do it, Pop.
Come on, Piper.
Piper. Dad, why are you doing this?
Doing what?
It's like the devil says, do it, and then everyone's like, no. And of course, they are apples, because I like apples. I really like apples, they're good. And I got my flu shot.
Zoe's playing on the swing. Very good.
Ding-a-ding-a-ling-ling.
She can actually do the swing now.
Yeah, go! Hey, go! Hey, dog, get me! Hey, really, get me! Get me! Try to get me! Try to get me! Try to get me! And now my mom lost talent. This is my talent! Swinging is my talent!
It took you long enough.
I'm getting on this.
Say bye.